Hey guys, Coach Benton here, coming at you. Thanks so much for your interest in our golf program. Some things to get ready for the tryouts in August, right? If you're interested in playing competitive golf, some things to start doing over the summer would be to start playing competitive golf. So if you haven't signed up for any tournaments, maybe get into some tournaments, just to kind of test the waters and see what competitive golf is like. I think you'll find it's a lot different than just going out with your boys on a Friday afternoon or something like that. And then another thing that I would recommend over the summer is to get some lessons, right? Make sure that you're solid on the fundamentals. We do a great program in July called the Vernon Hills Cougar Golf Camp. If you want, it's about a week long, just in the afternoon after summer school. So if you guys wanted to get signed up for that, go ahead, give me or Coach Healy, Sean Healy, a email. We'd be happy to get you guys on the list. Other than that, play as much as you can over the summer, fall in love with golf, and we'll see you guys in August. Have a good rest of your year.